What's up guys, welcome to my channel Digital Connect. Nice to catch you on your screens again. In today's tutorials, I'm going to show you guys a software that you can use to project Bible scriptures in your local language. These are the languages the software supports. Okay, so when you come to Africa here, okay, when you go to South Africa, these are the languages support in South Africa. When you come to Ghana, these are the languages support in Ghana. When you go to Nigeria, these are the languages support in Nigeria. Ethiopia, the same. Kenya, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, and the rest. Okay, and then when you go to Asia, okay, when you go to Asia, these are the languages it support in Asia as well. Okay, support in Asia. And go to Europe, and then America, and the rest. Okay, so the software have a large database of languages and different Bible versions that you can utilize at your church. Okay, so before I introduce the software to you, today's video is sponsored by nobody. It is sponsored by you watching this video. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you've not done that, you click on the bell icon, you leave a comment, and you like the videos and share them so that the YouTube algorithm will promote the video, and we can also help those who also are in need of a content like this. Okay, so the software is Bible Show. Most of you guys might know this software. Most of you guys might be using it. I've recorded a tutorial about this software, about the configuration and how to use it. I'm going to leave the link to the video description so you can check it out, and then you see how to configure it. Okay, so if you want to, okay, so right now let me show you how you can install the Bible versions into the software. But before we do that, if you want to download the software, okay, it's a free software. One thing I've forgotten to show you guys is free software. So if you want to download and install it, you can get it over here from this link. Okay, I'm going to leave the link in the video description. So now let me show you how you can install the Bible versions. So when you open the Bible Show software, like this is the interface of the Bible Show software, and all the Bible versions, when you install it, is going to appear over here. So if you want to install the Bible versions, just come to the options tab over here. The options tab over here, then click on the Bibles here like this. When you click on the Bible, this page will open for you, and then you can see the Bible versions we have. We have almost all the Bible versions are here, almost all of them. Okay, so you just scroll through and then you install the one you wanted to install. Okay, the English ones are here, a lot of them are here. Okay, so you can install any of them you want to install. So to make this search very easy and simple for you, where it is written Bible languages with these three asterisks, that means it's all. Click on this drop down, and then when you come here, you can see the local languages over here. So when you go to the Zulu like this, I know Zulu is from South Africa. Yeah, South Africa. So when you open it like this, then you can click on the install over here. That is showing over here. This green progress bar showing that is downloading, and then you can have a little description about the Bible version, the year, and then what the copyright and whatever is here. Okay, so you can get a little information about that. And then when you are done, you want to install more, just click on the, when you are done, you want to install more, just click on it again, just be scrolling up, and then look for the language you want to install. Then you can get it over here. This one have Hebrew, Greek, any language. Most of the languages you want to install, everything is here. So just be searching through it, and then you see the language you want, then you can easily install it. Okay, so when you go to Hausa, you want to install the Hausa Bible, just click on it like that, just click on install over here, and then the progress bar is showing. Okay, so you guys can see that our install Bible is showing over here. Okay, so when you come to books, then you can see all of them over here like this. Okay, if you want to switch the Bible version, you just click and then it will switch. This is the English Good News. You want to switch, just click on the King James, it switches, and then you want to click on this one, it switches, and then you want to click on this one too, it switches as well. Okay, so this is how you can switch, and then you project the Bible in your local dialect. Okay, so let me show you guys another way you can also project the Bible scripture aside you seeing through these initials. Okay, if you are not that comfortable with these initials, when the preacher mentioned the Bible scripture for you to project, you are going to find yourself wanting to look for what to project. Okay, so if you want to avoid that and you want to maybe project like the way the easy watch, you need to type the first 3 letters, then you add the verse and the chapter and the verse, then it will be projected. You can also do the same thing with the Bible show. So you just come to the reference over here, and then maybe if the pastor say project Mark, so MAR, just Mark will come, leave a space, maybe Mark chapter 5 verse 8, and then another space, then 8, like this. Then you click on view, then it comes over here. So you can project it like the way you used to do it in Easy Worship, or you can project it with the initials over here like this. So the choice is yours, guys. So guys, I think this is where I'm going to end the tutorial, and I believe this tutorial has been helpful for you guys. This is a very quick tutorial to show you guys how you can install Bibles scriptures in different languages. All right, and I believe this tutorial has been helpful for you guys. So guys, thank you for sticking to the end of the video, and I'll come your way with another tutorials again. Thank you.